Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can draw a half circle on Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. So there are two ways how you can do this, guys. Let me just navigate to that example page here. Let me remove that image so that we may have some space here for the circle. There are two ways how you can do this. Option number one, you draw a circle, add a line to it, and after that separate both of them to create a half circle. Let me show you how to do that. What you want to do is navigate to the Vector Studio in the top left, and then from that menu navigate to the rectangle or shape tool, right click into it and choose the ellipse tool. You may also select it from here and then draw your ellipse. With your left mouse you may also stabilize it by pressing and holding left shift, release your left mouse to draw your circle. Next, use the pencil or pen tool here to draw a straight line. So let me cut the ellipse in half here at the middle. Left click, press and hold left shift to stabilize the line, and left click again to set an endpoint. Switch to the select tool here and now select both the line and the ellipse. Both are selected. Next, right click into it, hover mouse over geometry and choose divide. Now the ellipse has been cut in half, as you can see, and you can click into one of these halves to remove it, to press backspace, and that has left that half ellipse here, or half circle, right? So you can now rotate it. Yeah, that's one way how you can do it. Option number two, you navigate to Vector again, navigate to the Shape tool again, right click into it, but instead of choosing the ellipse tool, you choose the Segment tool. You can also use the Pi tool if you like, but I'm going to use the Segment tool, and then draw your segmented circle. You may use left shift again to stabilize it, to make it look like this. Release your left mouse. And now guys, let me just zoom in. You may use these handles here, that red dot and that one here, to left click into it, to hold your left mouse, and to adjust the size of the circle you would like to leave. So if it's a half circle, you will see that guide or before orientation here, indicating that that's exactly the half of the circle. Release the left mouse, switch to the select tool, and now you have another half circle, and you can circle it using that handle here, or rotate it, resize it. You can rotate it also by using these handles here in the corners. That's how you do it, guys, on Affinity. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.